So good morning everyone. Chobotke prothomote I'd like to congratulate you for that you have completed 1 week of process. And as we announced that we'll give a free ticket. The winner name will be announced on day 15 of this series. So be ready for that. I wish you all the best. The contest is going on. You can just write whatever you learned till now in your comment section below, and you can go and give that in the social media, writing hashtag Inspirational Assam, and can take a screenshot and just send us the screenshot. Today is the 8th day. Are you feeling excited? Are you feeling more energy to live your life with patience? Are you feeling something is happening with you? If you're listening to this training program every day, you're getting altogether a new mental field. It is actually rewinding your brain for success. I want you all to have a defined level of life. Level of life is not same for everyone. Someone have another mentality and some have others. But I want you to have a thinking of having a level which is not an average. It will be the excellent one. Today, the topic which we're going to talk it is we'll learn about what is the master skills of success. This is something which you are not aware, and I will make you aware of it. And if you implement, you'll have a different level of life. So our all goal is same, that we want a defined level of life. I'm not talking about others, but the people who are listening to this webinar, everyone, the people who's listening every day, they have a mentality that they want to change their life. They want to become successful. You all want to become successful. So as you are very excited to become successful, as you are engaged, I'm here to train you, say you everything what needed to be successful. So we are talking about the master skills of success. What is that master skill of success that you can develop so that you close to your success journey? I have been talking to many people, and many people ask me that what is the thing which we can do to become successful, to become more powerful. My answer is simply says that it's very clear that you should not do many things. You should do the right thing. As I have been told in the previous series, that you need the right knowledge. Similarly, you should do the right thing. And the master skill of success is doing less thing and saying no to the thing which is not important to you. Similarly, you should not do the thing which is not essential to do. It's not required to do. So you can do a proper way of doing the things which give you more power, more knowledge, which give you some results to your success journey. Not the things simply wasting your time. Because if you want to become successful, you should do the things in the right manner in the right time. Because you don't have time. We don't have time. We want to become successful in this life only, not around 2 or 3 lives. So if you want to become successful in this life, you don't have. So you should do the thing which required to be do. Success এইটো লেনদেন নাই যে আমি আমাৰ পৰা কিমান কৰি আছো, কাম কৰি আছো, আমি কি কৰোঁ. Success এইটো বস্তু লেনদেন যে আমি কি কাম কৰি আছো. If you want to achieve more, if you want to get more done, it's not about doing more. বেছি কাম কৰি বেছি achievement হ'ব এনেকুৱা একো নাই. Actually, if you want to achieve more, I mean to say that efficiency, you all are efficient, but I want to make you effective. See, efficiency is doing the thing in the right manner, and effectiveness is doing the right thing. মানে আমি কাম ভালকে কৰোঁ, এইটো efficiency হয়, but আমি ভাল কামটোৱে কৰোঁ, that is effectiveness. So you have to select the thing which is right for you, which is effective for you. which is by doing which you can get more results come to you, to your life, to your journey of success and everything. So if you see your daily routine, daily schedule, then you can ask yourself that what is the things you are doing daily? Is that important for you? All the things. And some of the things you will find out that that things if you do not do also, it will not affect your anything, your life or your day. So that things which will not affect you, you should not do that thing. I mean to say, watching television is a thing which, if you are scheduling it the day, you should stop doing that. You can make use of that time and do as efficient work in that time. See, doing useless thing is the very unnecessary way of doing the things. I mean to say, you should not do the thing which is not right for you, not right for your success. And always learn to say no. Your friends is calling you to play with them, try to say no. লগত মই ৰিচাৰ্ড বেঞ্চনৰ কথা পঢ়ি আছিলোঁ. One of the finest person in this world, having company around 400 in the worldwide, which valuations you can't imagine also. When I'm studying about him, I got a real incident about him. এবাৰ কি হ'ল, ৰিচাৰ্ড বেঞ্চনক এটা কোম্পানীত স্পীচ দিবলৈ মাতিছিলে for half an hour, just in half an hour. And the company secretary called to Richard Benson secretary for that speech, for that training program. Then Richard Benson secretary মানা কৰি দিলে যে আহিব নোৱাৰিব. The company secretary said we are ready to give 1 crore rupees for just half an hour. Then the company manager says no, he cannot come. Again he called back the next day. Again he says that we are ready to give 2 crore rupees. The company manager says sorry, Richard Benson had says me that he's doing something which is very important for him. So if you give 10 crore rupees also, he will not able to come. Then I thought why he have say no to that, because 10 crore rupees is not 2 crore rupees is not just a small amount for us. Then I realized that because of that we are not Richard Benson. Because of that we are not Richard Bensons. If you want to become like Richard Bensons, you have to have that mentality. His mentality is something different, so he can have 400 companies in the worldwide. From this, you can clearly say that try to say no in your life. Sometime when you are doing something productive, just say no. While it is good or not, don't think of. No one cares. If it is good for you, just say no. And do your work efficiently, effectively, and get your success journey as much quick as you can. So you make every day your schedule. When you make your schedule, just remember you should keep always the most important thing for you. Not the thing which is not important, you should just left it, you just skipped it. Just do the most important thing. Just decide, just think which is the thing which is very important for me, and that can done by me only. No one can do that. Only I can do that. So I'll plan it out, and the thing should be only six tasks a day, not more than that. Not more than that or not less than that, but 6 you should plan every day. If you are listening to this webinar in the morning, so always this also a task also, you can give it extra tasks in the morning. So here something motivate in the morning so that your day goes positive way. You get energy from the morning motivations. Plan your day. Just plan your day, do the best you can. See, that is your life. When you do something productivity in your day, this 1 to 2 days, it goes to 1 week, it goes to 1 month, then it goes to 1 year, then the result automatically come your way. So you have to decide what the things you need in life. If you want something productive, you should plan your day accordingly. You have to have a daily task, and if you act upon that task and do the thing, and try to say no. The things which is not important to you, say no. The thing which is not necessary for you, say no. The thing, if you will not do it, it will enough, say no. Going to party, going to birthday party, anything. Sometimes important means you go, but not important means don't go. So learn the habit of saying no, and you do the thing which is very essential for you. Today in this series we have learned that we should say sometimes no to the things which is not right for us. So tomorrow we'll come with the same series. Actually, if we have announced the contest, so participate with them sincerely. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and press the notification bell so you get the regular notifications of our series, of our videos every day, and get a massive knowledge from this series. Wish you a very well and very bright future. Thank you very much.